We have a really good video for you today. We have negative slope. The front of this yard goes uphill. We're trying to run the downspouts away from the house. I'm going to show you how we handled this. I'm going to show you how to do this as a DIYer. There's no machinery. We did this all by hand. This is a true DIY video. Look at that negative pitch. You can't run the downspouts under the walk out into the front yard. We're going to have to run the downspouts inside the walkway. We're going to use 3-inch pipe. There's a lot of advantages to using 3-inch pipe inside the walkway. You can navigate through the sprinkler lines. You won't harm the root system of the hedges and the shrubs. We're going to do 3-inch line off of each downspout, and we're going to tie it into a 4-inch main. We're going to vent all these downspouts. We want to make sure that we build a system that works really efficient, since we're going to put 5 downspouts on one 4-inch pipe. We're using our FDM's blacked out 3-inch kits on every downspout. We have a 4-inch main because as soon as you go to 2 downspouts with a 3-inch pipe, you now are at the max for a 3-inch pipe. Once you add a 3rd downspout, you have to go to a 4-inch main. Keep in mind, if you're using 3-inch pipe at the downspout, you don't have to have a 90 fitting with a riser, and you don't have to tape all the connections. You just simply connect the pipe to the vented cleanout. You may need a hacksaw just to trim your downspout, and that's it. It slips on that easy. No screwdrivers, no tools required outside of possibly a hacksaw. Nice, easy, simple, clean connection. Beautiful how we ran this 3-inch pipe through all this landscape. We tied it into this 4-inch main. We have a lot of slope, and we took this main all the way to the very backyard so that we'd have a lot of drop. That's what's going to give us our velocity so that we can move the water from 5 downspouts. I want to show you a really quick tip on installing this vented cleanout. When you slide it up, it can hit the blue screen inside, and then you could go ahead and bend the pipe, and you can rest it exactly where you want it and pack dirt around it. But I want to show you inside what you're trying to stride for. There's the aluminum downspout that goes inside. You see how it's just above the blue screen? That's exactly what you want, right there. That's a perfect installation of this vented cleanout. No pop rivets, no screws. Just slip it on, adjust it to fit. What's nice about 3-inch pipe is you can set these really low to the ground. I think they look really nice when they're low to the ground. I love the way they look no matter what. They're really sharp. I love that vent. I love the performance of that product. And if you don't want to catch leaves, you can take the top off and just remove the screen and use it just as a vented cleanout. So you can stick your garden hose through there, flush your system once in a while for a peace of mind. We did install one sediment trap on the 4-inch main line right here, and then we went ahead and vented it. If for some reason the pop-up freezes, which I can't foresee that happening, the water can come out that vent. And what's nice about having a sediment trap, it'll grab up all the shingle gravel and won't let it build up and clog the pipe. Now remember, to have the water pick up a lot of speed, pick up a lot of velocity, you need to build your system where you have drop at the end of the line. Wherever you discharge your water, you have to take it to an area where the grade drops off. That's how you empty out the pipe really fast. Slope is the accelerator. It makes the water fly. Keep that in mind. If you can build your system and take it out just another 30 or 40 feet to get to an area where it really drops off, your system is going to work so much better. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.